Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has not yet managed to escape this small micro support region. In this video, I want to focus on the shorter time frame. In the last video, I looked at the daily time frame and also checked out the P-cycle top indicator. If you're interested in that, check out the previous video. In my last update, which I provided yesterday on Twitter or X, I mentioned the level that should be reached next. This level was reached 12 hours ago. For additional updates, feel free to follow us. Just make sure you follow the correct account. I recently changed the name slightly, so I lost the verification checkmark for a few days. It should be back soon. You can find the direct link to the profile in the video description. Yesterday's update mentioned that Bitcoin could potentially reverse or form a reversal from the current point. While the evidence is thin, the key idea is that if a low is indeed formed, then wave B may be complete, pending confirmation with a micro 5-wave uptrend for wave 1 of C, which I haven't analyzed separately yet. On the weekend, I'm going to upload a video specifically for the Twitter/X community. We'll put out a poll soon where you can vote for coins to be discussed. Make sure to check it out. But it would be wave 1 of the C wave of the larger 5th wave here to the upside. The target for wave 1 of C was 68.8K, and interestingly, this was reached, 68,800 to be exact. This means it could be wave 1 of the C wave. However, we need to examine it in detail to confirm if it was indeed a 5-wave move. The reaction to the indicated levels is promising, but to maintain this idea, the price must turn around and move upward directly from here. If it breaks below the Tuesday lows, we might say wave C is still unfolding, specifically, wave C of B. We'll zoom in on this in a minute. The idea was that from this micro support region, defined between roughly 69K and 64.4K, a reversal should occur, completing wave 4 and starting wave 5. Wave 4 might have completed on Thursday, the 23rd, and it's possible that the 5th wave has now begun. We were observing the microstructures that led us to an ABC structure, where wave A is a 3-wave move, wave B is an expanded flat with an overshooting B wave, and wave C moves into the micro support area between 66.8K and 68.9K. Technically, wave C, which is always a 5-wave move within the larger B wave, an ABC structure, could be complete. Structurally, this B wave pullback might be finished, fulfilling all requirements for a complete pullback in wave B. However, this doesn't mean it has to be complete. It just means we need to watch for a possible reversal in this area. The next 24 hours, particularly today, will be crucial. A decision point will come if we make a break, with the critical level being the Thursday low at 66.3K. If we break below that level, the price could dip further but still find support in the micro support region, as long as it doesn't drop below 64.4K. To get an indication that a low is in place, we need to break above the 68.8K or 68.9K level, followed by a move above 76.5K. This won't necessarily happen in a straight line, but rather in waves. That's my current outlook on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you really enjoy the content, consider checking out the channel membership. Also, follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye. It's similar to people who entered the market years ago in 2017. Don't ever forget the numbers from back then. For example, if you had invested $1,000 in XRP by the end of 2017, that investment could have grown to between $200,000 and $300,000. That money could have continued growing in other assets over time. It's all about the long term. I can't stress this enough. I can't and won't tell you what to do with your money, but you need to understand the big picture. If Bitcoin dropped by 10% or even 15% after I made this video, I wouldn't panic. We know that institutional buyers are in the market, and the only real catalyst for change will be FOMO, fear of missing out, from other people. The people who stopped watching my videos and left the market a few weeks ago because prices dipped slightly will be drawn back in when Bitcoin goes above $100,000. However, when Bitcoin reaches $200,000 and then dips back to $176,000, those same people might leave the market again. Meanwhile, the wealthy and the banks will see Bitcoin at $176,000 as a bargain and buy more. This cycle repeats over and over. The richest people continue to accumulate, while others miss out. It's a loop that keeps happening. It's impossible to have a bearish or negative sentiment about the market in the long term. I hope you've enjoyed this update. I hope you all are having a fantastic day, morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Thank you all for watching, listening, liking, commenting, supporting, and being here through the years. I'll be talking to you all soon. See you. Hello, and welcome to another Bitcoin update video. Bitcoin continues to hover within this micro support region, showing its significance. However, we're yet to see a reversal. In the previous video, I mentioned the possibility of a wave C pullback or an ABC expanded flat structure within this wave B. Expanded flats, despite not looking entirely sideways, are categorized as such due to their overall range perspective. Currently, Bitcoin appears to be consolidating, lacking a clear reversal signal. The next few hours are crucial, as Bitcoin has spent considerable time in this support region between 66.7K and 68.8K. I remain skeptical about the structure's clarity. We must pay attention to key levels, particularly 66.78K, as the last support level in the range. However, the invalidation point lies slightly below at 66.3K. A break below this level would negate the potential for a reversal and Bitcoin's rally in wave C to the upside. While a turnaround isn't unlikely at this point, we must remain vigilant. We're holding on to support, but it's in a precarious situation. This correction is prolonged, more than I'd prefer. From an objective standpoint, we're still above the invalidation point. A turnaround signal would be a break above yesterday's high at 68.9K or the B-wave high at 70.7K. If we break below the red line, there's still potential support around 64.0377, but a break below that could lead to a decline to 55-58K. The market has been following the expected pattern, but if it diverges, short-term bearishness could ensue. Clear levels to watch are below last Thursday's low in 64.0377. Despite the current boredom, it often precedes exciting times. Stay tuned for updates, like, comment, and subscribe for more, and consider joining the channel membership for exclusive content. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter too. Thanks for watching.